I'm Jerixi Parocha, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate a peer-to-peer network on how to share a file and a folder and using a LAN cable and from laptop 1 to laptop 2. And next po is open lang po natin yung view network connections in first PC. And open lang po natin yung view network connections and hanapin po natin yung Ethernet. Then right click, pindutin po natin yung properties. And click lang po natin yung Internet Protocol version and properties. And as we can see, naka-default na po yung IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. And right okay, then right okay, and na po, done na po. Next step is enable po natin yung network sharing on both computers. Enable lang po natin yung dalawa, and after that close na po natin yung window and lipat na po tayo sa isang laptop and repeat lang po natin yung process kanina. After opening the view network connections, right click po natin and hanapin lang po natin yung Internet Protocol version 4, then click properties and use the following IP address. Then okay lang po natin yung IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. And next step po is enable po natin yung network file sharing. Is punta po tayo sa File Explorer and create po tayo ng folder na mamaya po is i-share po natin sa isang laptop. And as we can see, we're creating a folder and I name it Jerik. And right click, properties, and hanapin lang po natin yung sharing and key boxes and permission level, and hanapin po natin yung read and select po natin sa read write and share na po natin. And click po lang po natin yung advanced sharing, then check po natin yung share this folder and punta po tayo sa permission and allow po natin to everyone. And check lang po natin after po natin i-check, right po, apply. And go na po tayo sa kabilang computer, then network, desktop. Hanapin po natin yung file kanina na ginawa natin. And as we can see, nakapag-share po tayo ng folder from PC1 to PC2. And ayun lang po. Thank you, sir.